Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create ID card design in MS Word, how to create the front design of this ID card, and we can create the back design of the ID card. Everything will be covered in this video step by step, so I request everyone to watch this video from first to the end. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's begin with our video. Okay, so press Ctrl N for a new page. So this is a new page. Okay, go in Insert tab, go in Shapes and select a rectangle shape. Okay, draw the shape of any size. We will set the size over here. So the height will be 8.5 centimeter and the width will be 5.3 centimeter. Okay, go in View and set to 100%. Okay, so this is the normal width and height or in centimeters of ID card. Okay, if you all want in inch, then inch ID card width and height is 3.375 and 2.125 inch. Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. Select the shape, go in the format of the shape and shape fill. Under shape fill, select gradient. Okay, go in move gradients. Okay, select the gradient fill. Okay, set the preset of gradients to top spotlight ascent 4, select it and set it type to radial. Select the first block and cancel it. We only wanted two blocks. Select the first block and set the color to light blue. Okay, select the second block and set the color to dark blue. Okay, done. Now close this tab. Go in the shape effects of the shape, go in preset and set the preset to 6. Okay, go in shape outline and set no outline. Now go in Insert tab, go in Shapes, under rectangle select the rectangle with top corners rounded and draw the shape. Okay, place it over here and just rotate it. Okay, decrease the size a bit. Select the shape now, go in the format of the shape, select the shape fill to white color, shape outline to no outline, and shape effects, go in preset and set the preset number 3. Okay, done. I'll zoom out and set it in middle. Okay, and here you can see yellow point, just drag it out. Okay, in this way. So our shape is ready. Now go in Insert tab, go in Shapes and select a text box. Draw the text box over here. Okay, go in the format of this text box, select the shape fill to no fill and shape outline to no outline. Type the name of the company or name of the institution. Perfect Computing. Increase the width a bit so it is visible. Select both the text, Ctrl A, select it under style and come in the home tab and select the style to no spacing. Okay, select the first text and set it in the left side. Select the second text and set it in the middle. Okay, select both these text, Ctrl A, set the font to 12 point and font to Algerian. Underline it and set the color to red. Okay, done. Now set it in middle. Now set it properly and done. Okay, now go in Insert tab, go in Shape and select under rectangle with all rounded corners and draw the shape. Okay, here will be the image of the employee and the format of the shape. Select shape outline to no outline, shape effects under preset to preset number 6. Okay, now to insert the image in this shape, here you can see under shape effects your small arrow, right click on it, and here is the format shape tab. Click on picture and texture fill, go in file, wherever you have saved the images of the employee, click on it and click on the image of the employee, and here you can see our image is placed. Okay, close that tab. Okay, now go in the Insert tab again, go in Shapes and select the text box. Just draw the text box over here so we can write the name of the employee. Okay, shape fill to no fill, and shape outline to no outline. Okay, type the name of the employee. Okay, select it, Control A, go in the Home tab, select the font to engravers empty. Okay, increase the font to 12 point and let it be black color and just underline it and bold it. Okay, done. Increase this width a bit and place it in middle. Okay, done. Now go in the Insert tab again, go in Shapes and select the text box again and draw the text box here so we can write the details of this employee. Okay, shape fill to no fill and shape outline no outline. Control A, select it first, go in the Home tab and no spacing. Okay, and 9 point is the font size. First is the employee ID. Okay, 86780-65. Next is designation manager. Next is address. Okay, address of this employee. Okay, next date of birth 29th July 2000. Okay, next is the date when the employee was joined to the company, issue date. Okay, 2nd June 2023. Okay, so done. Okay, I feel these are the most important details, so I have given these details over here. And how we'll create barcode of this employee. So go in Insert tab, first draw the text box. Under Shapes, draw the text box first over here. Okay, shape fill, no fill and shape outline, no outline. Now come in the Home tab back. Now in this text box, type the name of the employee and the employee ID. Okay, employee name without giving space. Okay, 86780-65. Select it, Control A, and under font, go in font. Here you can see code 39 and all. These are the barcodes, okay, provided in MS Word. If this type of barcode fonts are not available in your MS Word, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll provide the download link of the font in the comment section. Okay, I hope you all have understood till over here. If you all have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Here we'll place the website and the call details of the company. Okay, so first we'll place the logos. Go in Insert tab, under icons, click on the icons and type globe. Okay, here you can see this is the logo. Click on Insert, click on this and click on in front of text. Decrease the size first. Okay, set the color to red. Okay, and set it over here below. Okay, go in Insert tab and draw the text box. Draw the text box over here. Control is selected. Shape fill to no fill and shape outline no outline. Okay, go in Home tab. Control is selected. Set the font size to 8 point. Okay, type the website of the company, www.perfectcomputing.com. Okay, Control A, select it, decrease the font size more. Okay, enough. Control A, select it and set the font color to white. Okay, so it is visible properly. Now go in Insert tab again, go in icons and type call icon. Okay, select this icon and click on Insert. Click on this and in front of text, okay, decrease the size. Okay, set the color to red. Place it over here. Select this text box and press Ctrl D, duplicate it. Okay, and double click over here to type. First delete this and give the call details 0832 dash. So our front design of the ID card is ready. Okay, Only thing, we need to place the logo of the company over here. So go in insert tab, go in pictures, and wherever you have saved the logo of the company, click on that folder and just insert the logo of the company first. And over here click on in front of text, decrease the size first. Okay, decrease the size of this logo and place it over here. Okay, done. So our logo is placed. Okay, so this is the front design of the ID card. Now we'll see how to create the back design of the ID card. Now select this, the first rectangular shape that we created. Okay, select it, press Ctrl D. Okay, so this is the shape. Go in format of this shape, click on shape fill, go in gradient and click over here linear up. Linear up means this dark blue color will go on top and this light blue color will come down. Okay, done. This much settings only you need to do for this shape. Okay, so here we'll give the terms and conditions of the company of this ID card. So go in insert tab, go in shapes and select the text box and draw the text box over here. Okay, shape fill to no fill and shape outline to no outline. Now I have already typed the terms and conditions of this ID card, so I'll just paste it over here. Here you can see terms and condition. Control A, select it, and Control C, copy. Go in the ID card. Okay, and just Control V, paste it. Control A, select the whole text. Go in Home tab. Okay, decrease the size a bit, 0.5 to 5 point. Okay, done. Control A, select and set the color to white. Okay, now type over here terms and condition as the heading. Terms and conditions. Okay, colon, select this. Okay, increase the size and set it in middle and underline, bold it. Set the font to engravers empty. So these are the terms and condition of this card. Okay, so our full ID card is ready. Only thing, we need to put the signature and stamp of the company. So here we'll insert a shape and here we'll write signature and stamp of the company. So go in insert tab, under shape and come under rectangle and choose a rectangle with top corners round. Okay, so draw the shape, increase the width a bit, select the shape, increase the width a bit, set the shape fill to white color and shape outline to no outline. Okay, and here you can see yellow point, just drag it out. Okay, done. Okay, so our shape is ready. Select the shape, right click on your mouse and click on add text. Okay, select the whole box, go in Home tab, set the font color to red and decrease the size a bit, set the font size to 9 point and set the font to agency FB. Okay, okay, and type, put the brackets, signature and authorize stamp. Okay, close the bracket. So here it will be the signature and stamp of the authority. Okay, here we'll put a line. So go in shapes and under shapes just select a line and just draw a line over here. Simple, draw a line, place it below, set the line color to black. Okay, so done. So our full ID card design is ready. I hope you all have liked my ID card design. If you all have any doubt about this ID card, about wherever, if you all have not understood, you all can ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'll clear all your doubt. Okay, for savings we can go in file, go in save as, under browse. Here you can see Word document. Okay, click on Word document and click on save. Otherwise, if you want to save in PDF format this ID card, go in file, save as, browse. Okay, here you can see save as type. Here you can see PDF option. Click on PDF and click on save. Okay, wait for few seconds and here you can see our PDF document is ready. If I zoom it, here you can see my full ID card design is ready. I hope you all have understood everything. If you all have any doubt about this ID card design, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel to watch such interesting videos in future. So have a good day. Thank you.